Jed here to show you how to use call parking with the GoTo mobile app. Call parking is the option of putting a call on hold on one phone and making it available for anyone in your organization to retrieve that call on a different phone or app. An unlimited number of parking spots are available, and they can be parked in a user-assigned spot or a system-assigned spot. I will show you how to do both, as well as how to retrieve a parked call. I've already signed in as the user Ryan Noble. I'm using an Android phone for this video, but iPhone user steps are the same. Take note of the bottom navigation menu. You may see different icons here depending on what options are available with your GoTo plan. To use call parking with the mobile app, we will use star codes. These are dialable shortcuts. If needed, you can use these same shortcuts with your desktop phone. I've answered a new call. Tap the transfer button. We now need to specify the transfer destination. Instead of selecting one of your contacts, tap the dial pad icon. Begin by dialing *37. Now is where you can decide which type of spot you want to use. For a user-assigned spot, choose any number of digits as long as it does not begin with 0. For example, you could have a B3 or something like 483. Whatever you decide, add that number to the *37 you already dialed. However, if you want to use a system-assigned spot, do not add any more numbers. I'm going to do a system-assigned spot. Now tap the dial button. It does not matter which type of spot you are choosing at this point, since you want to select direct transfer in both instances.
0, 1.
The operator told me that my call is parked at spot 01. The user cannot specify a parking spot that begins with 0, but the system can. Let's retrieve the parked call. Tap the dial pad icon. Now dial *37 and then the desired parking spot number. In my case, it is 01. You've successfully picked up a parked call. It should be noted that parked calls will remain on hold until someone answers them or the call parking time lapses. If that happens, the call is then routed back to the original person who parked the call. Super admins can change the call parking timeout duration in GoToAdmin. That is done from the settings section within the phone options. As I demonstrated, you can park and retrieve calls with the mobile app. Unfortunately, there is no way to see any time if calls are parked on the system. With that in mind, I highly recommend checking out how to use call parking with the GoTo desktop app, which has easier to use options. Be sure to check out our online resources and the link I've left in the video description for more information. That's all there is to using the call parking option with the GoTo mobile app.